Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create advanced configuration, how to set up classes, upgrades, auto mode for Bungie, and also how to play the arena. We're going to see the procedural damage, so stay tuned. Alright, now we're going to create class, and the class is basically some equipment that the player will get every time he or she joins the arena. I would say the coolest thing about it is that the class is upgradable, which means you begin with tier number 1. As you receive money, as you receive nuggets, you can upgrade your class to tier 2, tier 3, and so on and so forth. So you'll get better equipment with each tier. And for this purpose here, I need to get myself some items. For example, diamond sword, and then some basic protection for the tier number 1, and then some diamond protection for the tier number 2, and then some food for both items. Alright. MA menu and class, and to create a new class just hit this button here, for example warrior, like this, edit class, and now you are editing the class warrior. Now you can set the tier equipment here to those 4 slots. It's gonna tell you exactly how, so don't worry about it. If this is going too fast, don't worry, you just read the menus and it's gonna tell you exactly in this menu information how to set it up. So excuse me. This is tier number 1, and just return back, and as you go back you notice that this button has suddenly become green, which means you can go up. Tier number 2, here we go, and now you can place the rest of the items to tier number 2 like this. And if you go down again and up again, you can see that now you can access tier number 3 and so on and so forth. So you can create unlimited amount of tiers for the arena. And wait a second, finally you can set up a price in the nuggets, which is in-game currency that the player will obtain by killing monsters and by playing in the arenas. So for example, we can set the price just 40 for this tier 2. Alright, that would be it. And now we can create some upgrade. To create upgrade, just hit the same button in the menu, for example bow, and now it will open a menu right away, but we will need to access, for this scenario I would like to show you some special items. So the CoreArena stores all its special items in this MA items menu. Currently there are only 2 items, explosive bow and explosive arrow, which is used by this bow here. And if this arrow hits the ground, it's going to make a big explosion. So it's really easy to show how the procedural damage works. Also TNT is automatic, and bone spawns special guards. I'm going to show that as well. Good, so now we can actually place the items into the upgrade container here. Alright, like this, and now we can return back, and now we can teleport ourselves to the Sky Arena we have created in a previous video. Make sure to check it out if you haven't as well. It only takes 5 minutes, and it's going to show you how to create this arena here. Good, so now edit, type only edit. You don't need to specify the arena name. If you are in the arena region, it will detect automatically. Good, now if you don't know what to put it here, just write upgrade, and it's going to tell you instructions. So don't worry, you won't get lost in this plugin. Plugin will tell you instructions every time. Alright, upgrade bow, and one level, so it's really easy. Oh, by the way, how this looks you can configure in your configuration files. Alright, and let's place another sign here for the class. And once again, if you don't place anything, the plugin will tell you very easily what you need to put it and how it should look. So class warrior. Good, has been registered. Now, if you type MA menu edit, couldn't find an arena, so you have to either type the name of the arena or just go inside the region. Good. One last thing, if you have changed anything in the arena and you have set up the arena snapshot, you'll need to save it again now. So every time you make a change in the arena, you need to save the snapshot once again. So we're going to this snapshot menu, and we take the initial snapshot. Like this, the initial snapshot has been taken. Good. Now we can join the arena actually and play. But one last thing I have noticed from my testing, that as we play, as I have been pre-testing this arena, you know, this procedural damage has also gravitational force, and I've been pretty much falling every time I have... Okay, menu, edit. I have damaged the floor here, so I'm just going to save it once again with the bedrock. Alright, now we can actually play, now we can actually show you how this entire plugin is about, what this entire plugin is about, how it works. Alright, are you ready? Are you ready for it? Now, welcome, select your class. Variro tier 1, equip this class. So now we have this class, you can't really do anything in the lobby. Bang, and the sky has begun. Creeper, phase number 1. Oh. And as you can see, the arena is already being damaged. Oh shit. So, I want to see the damage more, just let me get those creepers into this arena which is fully damageable. Okay. And as you can see, there's no other monsters. Let's see. You like 1 level 12 for this upgrade. And the second monster will spawn on the phase 2 as we have configured in the video number 1. Okay. And the creeper should be still here, right? Oh shit. Because we have configured that they will spawn from phase number 1 and the zombies will spawn from phase number 2. Good. Now, if we have killed something, we will obtain the experience. As you can see, we're getting experience on this experience bar here. And this will be further transformed if you are having... Oh damn, I'm running low health, yeah. This will be transformed if 2 nuggets after you're done. Good, now we can place TNTs, whoa. And the TNTs are ignited automatically. Oops. So now we are done. Now we're done, and I haven't showed you much more features, but I think that is it. I don't want this video to be like 20 minutes long, like I did last time with chat control. It became a really long video. I haven't expected that at all. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. Hey, wait a second. One more thing, auto mode. This is a special regime if you're having a BungieCode server and you'd like to place CoreArena on your server as a whole, which means that you want the arenas to start automatically and to finish automatically if the players join the server. It's basically like Mind Plagues, you know, there is no need for players to manually join the arena. So if you want to use it, just... Well, first of all, you need to obtain... I'm currently going to a special lobby location made for this here. So you need to go to the tools menu and you need to obtain this Wade Lobby tool selector, and with this tool here just right click the Wade Lobby location somewhere, and this location will basically teleport players when they are join the server, or as if when they are done playing they're going to be teleported here. So alright, that's it. And now navigate to your plugins and CoreArena folder and open the file name AutoMode. Currently we only have server mode here, but I'm also planning to add world mode, which means that you can have only one world for your arenas, and when the players gonna join the world, they're automatically going to be put into a arena or something, or they're going to wait in the Wade lobby and get the arena automatically when the arena is done, when the current arena is done. So okay, just enable it to true. You can also control basic stuff as join messages, so you don't have to have additional plugin for that. Delay between arenas, let's say to 20 seconds. This is how long to wait in this Wade lobby when one arena finish. And mode incremental, that means they will iterate over all of the loaded arenas and select another one and another one from the list, from the order you have them in this file, or random. It will pick each time one arena here. Okay. And if you're having auto mode, you need to restart your server because it's gonna, change many things. So reload function cannot support this. Okay. It's loading. As you can see, server auto mode has been enabled. Good. So now, as I'm gonna join this server, I'm automatically put into this lobby instead of spawn, and also said next round, the next game is Sky in 20 seconds. Required players 1, which is good because we have set it up so. And now you can just wait. Good. So now we have joined automatically. If you attempt to leave the arena, it says you cannot leave the arenas on this server because the server is fully automatic. And if you're gonna die, I'm going to show you in a minute. So if you're gonna die, for example, it's gonna, spawn you into the lobby, and the same thing is gonna happen that when you join. So meaning you're just going to be put in the random arena. Okay, let's see here. Bang. You have died and you have 1 life left. Okay, now I can show you the wolves. So if you spawn them, they're gonna guard. And they're gonna kill the enemies. Okay. And this is also how the procedural damage works. So remember from the first video, we make some damage here, and this is the only damage that can be made. So don't worry, your players are not going to escape from the arena. But because you have configured exactly how the arena should be damaged. So, for example, the floor is damageable, and this up here is also damageable. Good. So, okay, I think there's soon death. Okay. And next round, Arena Sky ends. You have received 1 nugget. And this is, everything here is automatic right now because the auto mode is enabled. So when you have like a lot of players here, you don't need to be on the server at all to start the arena. Okay, and now the arena starts once again, and the game in GITHUB has begun, and we haven't set up the class here, so you're not getting any. Okay, so I would say that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you appreciate it. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, please PM, do a private messages here on SPIGOT, or just use GitHub. I think GitHub is better because I have better control over messages. It's not so chaotic, but still. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for watching, and see you on the other side.